Hi students, today we learning the topic is maxima and minima of function of two variables function. That is a two variable function f of x comma y having the maxima minima. How to finding maxima minima, and first of all we see the definition. Okay na? That is equal to a definition. Let the function f of x comma y in two variables x and y at any point a comma b, the function having maxima or minima if f of a comma b is greater than f of a plus h comma b plus k, or f of a comma b is less than f of a plus h comma b plus k respectively, where h and k are small values, and that is the function value at the point a comma b is greater than the function value of at the remaining points. Compulsory has to unkondi that value is the maximum value of the given function. In case at the point a comma b the function value is less than the function values of at remaining points, and at least unkondi the point a comma b, that function value f of a comma b is called the minimum value. This is the definition of maxima minima. And extreme value. What is the extreme value? F of a comma b is said to be an extreme value of f of x comma y if it is maxima or minima, and at any point a comma b the function value f of a comma b is the maximum or minimum, any one, either maxima or minima, then that value is called extreme value. Okay na? So then a working rule, how to finding the maximum minimum of the given function, is a procedure given. Okay na? First of all, find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y and equate each to 0. Solve these equations for x and y. We getting the points, a pair of points a1 comma b1 comma a2 comma b2 comma up to so on. And first of all, given function is f of x comma y. Now differentiating with respect to x and y partially, and both values equating 0, and dou f by dou x is equal 0 and dou f by dou y is equal 0. We are getting the two equations. Now solving two equations, getting the points xy point. Say that the points is a1 comma b1 comma a2 comma b2 comma up to so on. Any points, many points are exist, a single point or 2 points or 3 points or any points are exist. Okay now, this is step 1. Step 2, finding the second order partial derivatives. Second order means dou square f by dou x square, assumption L. Dou square f by dou y square is equal to n. Dou square f by dou x dou y, that is equal to m. Now finding the second order partial derivatives for each pair of values obtained in step 1. And from this one we have to finding step 1. All are second order partial derivatives. Okay. See the continuation. Yeah, next step 3. Now next finding ln minus m square. Ln means second order partial derivatives together. Now finding the condition ln minus m square. At every point the condition is verified. So ln minus m square is greater than 0 and L is less than 0 at the point a1 comma b1. Then the point a1 comma b1 is point of maxima. That is f have maximum value at a1 comma b1 and the maximum value is f of a1 comma b1. And a condition indicate ln minus m square must be positive ayi undali and L value is negative at the point a1 comma b1. Then a1 b1 is called point of maxima, that function having the maximum value. What is the maximum value? That point is substituting in the given function f of a1 comma b1 is maximum value. In case 2, in case at the point a1 comma b1 ln minus m square greater than 0 and L is greater than 0 and L is a positive, then a1 comma b1 is the point of minima. That is the function f of have minimum value at a1 comma b1, and f of a1 comma b1 is minimum of f అంటే ఎల్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ పాజిటివ్ అయింది అనుకోండి, బట్ కండిషన్ సేమ్, ln minus m square is greater than 0, but L value is positive, then that point is called the point of minima and f of a1 comma b1 is called the minimum value. Case 3, in case ln minus m square is less than 0, అంటే in case the value is negative అండి at the point a1 comma b1, then the f of a1 comma b1 is not extreme value, that is there is no maxima minima, there is neither a maxima or nor a minima at a1 comma b1. In this case the point a1 comma b1 is called a saddle point, అంటే at the point saddle point the function have no maxima minima, that is when the condition ln minus m square is negative అయింది అనుకోండి, that is the condition. Next case 4, ln minus m square is equal 0. In case 0 అయింది అనుకోండి ln minus m square at the point a1 comma b1, then no conclusion can be drawn about maximum or minima and needs further investigation. అంటే is equal 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, we cannot say, there is no conclusion to can draw a maxima minima. So this is the 4 cases. In the 4 cases ఏం రావచ్చండి, but maximum minimum కావాలంటే కండిషన్ ln minus m square must be positive, L is the negative maximum, L is the positive minimum. ln minus m square is negative అయింది అనుకోండి, there is no maximum no minimum, is equal 0 అయితే no conclusion. This is the 4 cases at every, so these 4 cases we will discussing at every point. ఇది ఓన్లీ at the point a1 b1 అండి, సెకండ్ పాయింట్ a2 b2, at the point third point a3 b3, we are discussing all cases. Okay na? Okay, similarly examine the other pair of values one by one. Okay na? So this is a working rule. Next to stationary value, the value f of a comma b is said to be stationary value of the function f of x comma y if fx a comma b is equal 0, f of a comma b y is equal 0, and the point a comma b is stationary point. And that means dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y both are finding equating 0 కదా, solving both equations getting the points, that points are called stationary points, that point substituting the function, that is called stationary value. So thus every extreme value is a stationary value, but every stationary value is not extreme value. అంటే extreme value అంటే ఏంది, that is maximum or minima, but every point may not be maximum minima కదా, అంటే every point every stationary point is may not be extreme value, but every extreme value is a stationary value. So this is one of the condition. Okay, this is a procedure to finding the maximum or minimum. Okay, see the examples. First example, find the maximum and minimum of the function x cube plus 3xy square minus 3x square minus 3y square plus 4. Let the given function f. Okay na? First of all finding dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. So dou f by dou x is equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x. Next dou f by dou y is equal to 6xy minus 6y, and both equating 0, both values equating 0, that is equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x is equal to 0. Next second one, 6xy minus 6y is equal to 0. Now solving equation 1 and 2, that is equal to, from equation 2 6y common, the 6 outside, x minus 1 into y is equal to 0, that is equal to x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0. Now substituting in equation 1, from equation 1 x is equal to 1, substitute 3 plus 3y square minus 6 is equal to 0, y square is equal to 1, and y is equal to 1 plus or minus 1. Next y is equal to 0, substituting second value, 3x square minus 6x is equal to 0, 3x into x minus 2 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0, x is equal to 2. So we getting the points here, 1 plus or minus 1, next here 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0, that is equal to 4 stationary points, and 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 1 comma 1, 1 minus 1. Okay na? Now at every point we will discussing the function having maxima or minima. Okay, now proceeding the second step 2. What is step 2? You have to finding the second order partial derivatives. So L is equal dou square by dou x square. So dou by dou x of dou f by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of 3x square plus 3y square minus 6x is equal to 6x minus 6. Next n is equal to dou square f by dou y square is equal to dou by dou y into dou f by dou y. Dou by dou y of 6x minus 6y is equal to 6x minus 6. M is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y. That is dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. That is equal to dou by dou x of 6xy minus 6y is equal to 6y. Now find the condition ln minus m square. ln minus m square finding 6x minus 6 into 6x minus 6 into 6y whole square, that is equal to 6x minus 6 whole square minus 36y square. Now this condition at every point we will be discussing. First point is at the point 0, 0. ln minus m square is equal to 36 minus 6 is equal to 36. And a positive. And a positive means maybe maximum or minimum. Next to condition L. L is equal to here 0 minus 6 minus 6 negative and L is a negative, then the function having maximum at that point 0, 0. If have maximum value at the point 0, 0, what is the maximum value? The point 0, 0 substituting the given function, that is the f of 0, 0, that is 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 0 plus, that is equal to 4. This is a 4 is the maximum value of the given function. Next second point, at the point 2, 0, ln minus m square is equal to 36 minus 0, 36 the positive. L is equal to 12 minus 6, 6. 6 is equals positive and L value is positive. So at the point 2, 0, the function having minimum. So therefore minimum value is f of 2, 0. 8 plus 0 minus 12 minus 0 plus 4 is equal to 0. So minimum value 0. So maximum value 4, minimum value 0 only. Remaining 2 points ఉన్నాయి. The remaining 2 points are similarly saddle points అయి ఉంటాయి, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ మ్యాక్సిమం ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయిపోయిందండి. సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో మ్యాక్సిమం రిమైనింగ్ ఎట్ ద పాయింట్స్. సో క్లియర్లీ ద 2 points are saddle points. So similarly by condition also at 1, 1, 1, minus 1, ln minus m square is negative and negative means no maximum, no minimum, that is saddle points. If I have no extreme values at these points, both points are called saddle points. So this is the procedure to finding maxima, minima. They are very, very important. One question will given. Okay. See the second example. Discuss the maxima and minima of the function xy plus aq by x plus aq by y. So there is a given function now finding dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y equating 0. Dou f by dou x is equal to y minus aq by x square equating 0. Y minus aq by x square is equal to 0. Therefore simplification is x square y is equal to aq. Second one, dou f by dou y is equal to 0. Dou f by dou y is equal to here x minus aq by y square, that is equal to dou f by dou y is equal to equating 0. X minus aq by y square is equal to 0. That is simplification, xy square is equal to aq. Now two equations solving 1 and 2, that is equal to both are a cube is equal to a cube is equal to x square y is equal to xy square. Write out right inside xy common, xy into x minus y is equal to 0. So xy is not equal to 0 because xy is not, both are not equal to 0. There xy is equal to 0. So that is equal to solving x is equal from equation 1 x is equal to y substituting here, or y is equal to x substituting from equation 1 x cube is equal to a cube, x is equal to a, so that y is equal to a automatically. So therefore the point is a comma a and only single point exists, that is the stationary point is a comma a. Now finding the second order differentiation, L is equal to dou square f by dou x square is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x is equal to dou f by dou x is equal to y minus a cube by x square, that is equal to differentiation 2a by x cube. Next n is equal to dou square f by dou y square, that is dou by dou y of dou f by dou y of x minus a cube by y square. Simplification, partial derivative with respect to y, 2a cube by y cube. Next m is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y, that is dou by dou x of dou f by dou y is equal to dou by dou x of x minus a cube by y square is equal to 1. Now find the condition ln minus m square. Ln minus m square is equal to a cube by x cube into 2a cube by y cube minus 1, that is equal to 4a power 6 by x cube y cube minus 1. Now at the point a comma a, ln minus m square is equal to 4 into a power 6 by a cube into a cube minus 1, that is equal to 3. 3 is a positive and ln minus m square is a positive, maybe maximum or minimum. Next L value discussing, L is equal to 2a cube by a cube 2. 2 is a positive number and L is a positive, that function having minimum value at the point a comma a. So therefore minimum value is f of a comma a. Substituting here a into a plus a square, that is equal to 3a square. 3a square is the minimum value of the given function. Okay, see the next example. Find the stationary points of u of x comma y is equal to sin x sin y sin of x plus y, where 0 less than x less than pi, 0 less than y less than pi, and find the maximum u, and only finding the maximum value of u only. Okay, now first of all finding the stationary points. So there is a given function. First finding dou u by dou x. Dou u by dou x means the three functions here. And then sin y is a constant, sin x sin of x plus y, u into v method. Sin y into sin x cos of x plus y plus sin y into cos x sin of x plus y. So sin y common, sin x cos x plus y plus cos x sin of x plus y, that is equal to sin y into sin of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b, the sin of 2x plus y, the first one. Next one, this is equating 0, sin y into sin of 2x plus y is equal to 0, and sin y is equal to 0 or sin of 2x plus y is equal to 0. So that is equal to y is equal to 0, 2x plus y is equal to pi. Y is taking the pi, but x y is only between 0 and pi. So 2x plus y is only between near to pi. Similarly with respect to y, dou u by dou y is equal to sin x sin y, and dou u by dou y means ikkada sin x constant, sin y into sin of x plus y, two functions u into v method, sin x into sin y into cos of x plus y plus sin x into cos y into sin of x plus y. Now take the common, sin x common, sin of y cos of x plus y plus cos y sin of x plus y. This is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b, that is sin x into sin of x plus 2y. Now equating 0, dou u by dou y is equal to 0, sin x into sin of x plus 2y is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 0 or sin of x plus 2y is equal to 0. And this x is equal to 0, and sin 0 0 ayi undali, but x is not 0 kada. So next x plus 2y is equal must be 5. So equation 1, equation 2 only. Now solving equation 1 and 2, we getting the stationary points. Now continuation. So solving equation 1 and 2, we getting the point is x is equal to 5 by 3, y is equal to 5 by 3. The stationary point is 5 by 3 comma 5 by 3. Now finding the second order differentiation, L is equal to dou square u by dou x square, dou by dou x of dou u by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of sin y into sin of 2x plus y, that is equal to 2 sin y cos of 2x plus y. N is equal to dou square u by dou y square, dou by dou y of dou u by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of sin x into sin of x plus 2y, that is equal to 2 sin x into cos of x plus 2y. This is a differentiation with respect to y. Next, m is equal to dou square u by dou x dou y, dou by dou x of dou u by dou y, that is equal to dou by dou x of sin x into sin of x plus 2y. With respect to x here, this is a sin x, this is a sin of x plus 2y, and a uv method, u into v method, sin x into cos of x plus 2y plus cos x into sin of x plus 2y. This is also sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b, sin of 2x plus 2y. That is equal, next find the condition, ln minus m square indi. ln minus m square is equal to 2 sin y into cos of x 2x plus y into 2 sin x into cos of x plus 2y minus sin of 2x plus 2y whole square. Simplification is 4 sin x sin y cos of 2x plus y cos of x plus 2y minus sin of 2x plus 2y whole square. Yeah, continuation. At the point 5 by 3 comma 5 by 3, we are discussing the condition ln minus m square. So that is equal to ln minus m square, 4 substituting x is equal to 5 by 3, y is equal to 5 by 3, 4 sin pi by 3 sin pi by 3 cos of 2 pi by 3 plus 5 by 3 into cos of 5 by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 minus sin of 2 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3 whole square, that is equal to here 4 into root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 into minus 1 minus 3 by 4, that is equal to 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is a positive and ln minus m square is a positive, there is a maximum or minimum exist. Next, L value, L is equal to 2 sin pi by 3 cos of 2 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. So that is 2 into root 3 by 2 into minus 1, that is equal to minus root 3. Negative and L is a negative. The function having maximum, that is a proved. There is a finding maximum, they find out. So the function u have maximum at the point 5 by 3 comma 5 by 3. Now finding the maximum value, u of 5 by 3 comma 5 by 3, substituting the given function sin pi by 3 into sin pi by 3 into sin of 5 by 3 plus 5 by 3, that is equal to root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2, that is equal to 3 root 3 by 8. This is the maximum value of the given function. Okay, so this is a very important question. See the next example. Find the shortest distance from origin to the surface xyz square is equal to 2. This is the application of maximum minimum. Here finding the shortest distance. Okay, this is one of the application of maximum minimum. Okay, see the, let the point P of x comma y comma z on the surface xyz square is equal to 2. So now finding the distance between origin and P. So what is the formula? Origin distance, origin to the point P, that is equal to OP square d square is equal to formula and x square plus y square plus z square together. That is the square root of x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square together. Here squaring and d square is equal to square root cancel. X square plus y square plus z square. Okay. So that let the distance f of x comma y is equal to d square x square plus y square and z square is equal to, from equation 1, 2 by xy. But we are discussing only maximum minimum for finding only two variable function. but your distance is 3 variable x y z kada. So that now eliminating z. Now eliminating z means from equation 1 we have to write z is equal to right, z square is equal to 2 by xy. So here replacing. So assumption this function is shortest distance function is f of x comma y, that is x square plus y square plus 2 by xy. Now we have to show that this function having minimum because finding the shortest distance here. Okay, same procedure. Dou f by dou x is equal to 2x minus 2 by x square y, and dou f by dou y is equal to 2y minus 2 by xy square. Now equating 0. Dou f by dou x is equal to 0. 2x minus 2 by x square y is equal to 0. That is x cube y minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x cube y is equal to 1. So dou f by dou y is equal to 0. That is equal to 2y minus 2 by xy square is equal to 0. Xy cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Xy cube is equal to 1. Equation 3 and 4 now solving. From equation 3 and 4, x cube y is equal to xy cube. Xy common, x square minus y square. But x is not equal to 0, y is not equal to 0. There must be x square minus y square is equal to 0. That is equal to xy is equal to 0, y. So from equation 3, x is equal to y kada, x plus the y replacing from equation 3, y for 4 is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 means then x is equal to automatically 1. Therefore, only single stationary point is 1 comma 1. On one point is the station point. Now finding the second order partial derivatives. See the continuation. L is equal to dou square f by dou x square is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x, that is equal to dou by dou x of 2x minus 2 by x square y, 2 plus 4 by x cube y. N is equal to dou square f by dou y square, dou by dou y of dou f by dou y is equal to dou by dou y of 2y minus 2 by xy square, that is equal to 2 plus 4 by x cube. Next m is equal to dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, that is dou by dou x of 2y minus 2 by xy square, that is equal to 2 by x square y square. Now finding the condition ln minus m square. Ln minus m square, L into 2 plus 4 by x cube y into n, 2 plus 4 by xy cube minus m square, 4 by x power 4 y power 4 at the point 1 comma 1. Ln minus m square is equal to 2 plus 4 into 2 plus 4 minus 4, that is equal 32. The condition is 32 positive and ln minus m square is positive. There is the maximum or minimum exist. Next verify the L value. L is equal to 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is a positive. Therefore the function having minimum, and a function as we are getting the shortest value, that is equal to f of minimum at the point 1 comma 1. Therefore minimum value f of 1 comma 1 is equal to d square into distance. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. Therefore d is equal to, hence the shortest distance d is equal to 2. This is the shortest distance of the origin to the surface. And also finding the point from equation 1, z is equal to root 2 from equation 1. Therefore point is x comma y comma z point here, and the 1 comma root 2. This is a point on the surface. This is the maxima minima. Okay, this is a very important topic, maxima minima. So next, yeah, thank you. For more videos please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.